Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use smooth option on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project on your app and just go to the lower bar, tap to the smooth icon, and here you can use the auto smooth, for example, and if you click to the white icon, you can set that just follow the line. You can use the smoother, the glow, or the conceal, or the matte option, and if you finish, click the OK button at the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.